Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about atomic mass scale and what it's being used for and how it works. So as we know, atoms are very small compared to what we're used to. So it's very difficult to measure the mass of an atom in everyday units like grams or kilograms or even milligrams, because atoms are very tiny. So the chemists, the scientists came up with a different notation to measure a mass of an atom, which is called AMU, or atomic mass unit. So where did this come from? So they took the most abundant, I'm sorry, not abundant, but the most abundant element on Earth, which is carbon, and the most abundant isotope of carbon, which is 12, and they arbitrarily assigned that mass of one atom of carbon 12 equals to 12 AMUs. So mass of carbon 12 isotope of one atom equals to 12 AMUs. And that should be U, not S. Okay. So what does it mean to us? How does that translate into our regular world? So in the regular world, with the relative relation to the units that we know, 1 AMU equals to 1.66 times 10 to the minus 24 grams. Or 1 gram is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power AMUs. Oops. So in this case, let's just see, what does 1 gram, so how many atoms are found in 1 gram of carbon? So based on this, 1 gram of carbon contains we take the amount of AMUs and divide them by the mass of one atom of carbon, right? So 1 gram of carbon contains 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power AMUs. Why do I write AMS? It's AMUs, which is per 1 gram of carbon. And then we divide that by 12 AMUs, which is in 1 atom of carbon. So when we do the calculation for that, we get 6.022 to the power of 10 to the power of 23 divided by 12. We get 5.02 times 10 to the 22nd power, and it would be atoms of carbon per gram, because AMUs cancel, and we get atoms of carbon per gram of carbon. Yeah.